Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix TikTok region option not showing. If you are using TikTok and your region option is not showing, so let's see how can you fix the issue. So very first, you just have to open your App Store or Play Store, and here you have to simply search for TikTok, and you have to make a update in your TikTok apps. Open TikTok section from here, and you have to make sure that you are on the latest update on your TikTok app. Or if you find any update here, try to update your TikTok app, then go back. Open your TikTok app, then tap on your profile in the bottom right corner. Tap on three dots in the top right corner here. Select settings and privacy. Select account from here. Select account information. Then you'll find the account region option here. Simply tap on it. Or if you want to change the region, you can easily change it from here. So in this way, you can easily find region option in your TikTok app. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.